Very good morning, students. Students, in today's class, we will discuss the next assignment, that is assignment 5.6. So, question number first part is, this is given to us and I have to find out the value of x. Okay. Now, see students, 1 by 2 is negative here when it goes to the right hand side. When this 1 by 2 goes to the right hand side, it will be positive. Therefore, I can write it like this: x is equals to this 1 by 2 as it is plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1. So this 1 is our required answer. Okay. Now moving forward to the second part, students. This is given to us and I have to find out the value of x. Now students, see, take LCM. 3 and 7. If I take the LCM will be 21. So 21 divided by 3, it will be 7. So 7 2 is 14. So it will be 14x minus 21 divided by 7. It will be 3. And 3 3 is 9. So it will be 9x and 15 by 63 as it is. So that will be, students, 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 will be 5. So this is equals to 5x upon 21. Okay, and this will be 15 by 63. So students, I can cancel them out. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 7 nines are 7 threes are, okay, 3 threes are 9 and 3 threes are 1. So here we are left with only x and here we are only left with 1. So therefore, students, I can say that value of x is 1. In this part also. Okay. Now moving forward to the question number second, students. Question number second consists of 9 parts, students. Question number second consists of 9 parts, out of which I am discussing the few parts, students. Students, these 9 parts are all same. In this we have to just solve the given algebraic expressions, or we can say the equations, sorry. So solve means I have to find out the value of variable. So the variable is x, that means I have to find out the value of x. Now students, 3x is positive, when it goes to the left hand side it will be negative. Therefore students, I can write it like this: 5x minus 3x, and this is equals to 8x. So that is, students, 5x minus 3x, it will be 2x. So 2x will be 8 and x will be 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the answer is 4, students. Okay. Now in this part, students, okay, that is the fifth part. So in fifth part, students, is equals to minus 7x is there in the question. If you just say in book, here we have equal with negative sign. Okay, so I have to solve this equation. So students, see, what can we do? I just shift this number here and 4 here. So 7 is negative, when it goes to the left hand side it will be positive. So I can write 7x minus 3x as it is. Minus 3x as it is. Now this plus 8 as it is. 4 is positive, when it goes to the left hand side it will be negative. Okay. So 7x minus 3x, it will be 4x, and 8x minus 4, it will be 4. 4 when cancel out with this 4. Therefore x is equals to 1. So x is equals to 1 is our required answer. Okay. Now similarly, students, we can discuss the remaining parts. If I take this, students, see, 5x. 5x is negative, when it goes here it will be positive. So I can write it like this: 5x minus 3x. Okay. See, 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. See, this 9 is already here, this 9 is already here. 12 minus 3 is plus 9. Plus 9 when it goes to the right hand side, it will be minus 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay, so that is, I can write it like this: 5x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x is 2x, and 2x is equals to 9 minus 9 is 0. 2 is in multiplication, when it goes to the right hand side, it will be in division. So 0 by 2 is 0. So the value of x is 0 now. Okay, students. Now the last part of this particular question, question number second, students. See, 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3 plus 3x as it is. This 7x as it is. Sorry. Students, 7x minus 6x, I can write it like this, x plus 8. Okay. Now see students, 3 is positive when it goes to the left hand side it will be negative, and this x is positive when it goes there it will be negative, so 3x minus x, it will be how much? 2x. Okay. And 8 minus 3 is 5. Therefore x is equals to 5 by 2. So x is equals to 5 by 2 is our required answer. Okay. Now students, moving forward to the question number 3rd students. Question number 3rd is this. I have to solve these two parts. It consists of 3 parts, out of which I am discussing the 2 parts. See, this question is also same students. I have to just solve and find out the value of variable. That means I have to find out the value of x. What can we do students in this? See, I can write it like this. X by 5 as it is. X by 5 as it is. See, this 1 by 15, if I write as it is, 11 is positive when it goes to the left and right hand side, it will be negative. This 11 is in left hand side, when it goes to the right hand side, it will be negative because it will change the sign. Now students, just take LCM. Okay. So, if I just take LCM students, so LCM of 15 and, sorry, this x by 5 as it is students, this x by 5 as it is. Now if I take LCM students, see, 11 I can write as 11 by 1. 11 can be written as 11 by 1 because 11 by 1 is also 11. Now take LCM of 15 and 1. 15 and 1 will be 15. So 15 when divided by 15 it will be 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 15 divided by 1 is 15. And when 15 is multiplied by 11, it will be 165. It will be 165. Okay. Now students, if I solve 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 15, therefore x is equals to 1 minus 165. This means 164 by 3. So minus 164 by 3 is my required answer. Okay students. Similarly students, I can solve this part number 3 also. See, in this part number 3 students, what I will do, see, the first part answer is minus 164 by 3. Okay, all of you just write it because I'm gonna rub this. Okay, so see, how can I solve this students? See, this 7 is in division. When it goes here it will be multiplication. Okay. When it goes here, it will be multiplication. So I can write it like this: 12 x minus 5. Okay. Now this 7, when goes here, it will be multiplied. So 7 bracket 24 plus 8x. I can write it like this. Okay. Now just multiply it. 12 into x is 12x minus 12 into 5 is 60. Okay. Now just multiply these two also. 24 and 7 also. Just multiply them. So 7 4s are 28. 2, it will be 148. Okay. 7 multiplied by 8, it will be 56 now. Okay. Now students, see, 148 when goes here it will be negative. So minus 60 minus 148 is equals to 56x minus 12x. I can write it like this. Okay. Now students, see, both these numbers are negative. If I just solve them, the answer will be negative and they both will be added. So minus 208. I can write it as minus 208. And if I just subtract them students, so see, it will be 4 and 4. So this will be, see, if I just, yes, it will be 44x. Therefore students, the value of x, it will be minus 208 divided by 44. Okay. Now you can just cancel them out by 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 4 11s are. Therefore, the value of x is minus 52 by 11. This is my required answer. Okay. Now students, we're gonna discuss the question number 4, students. Question number 4 consists of 9 parts, out of which I am discussing the 3 parts. See, this question is also same, students. You have to just solve and find out the value of variable. That means you have to find out the value of x. Now students, again 3 and 4 are here. You can just take the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 4, it will be 12. 12 divided by 3 will be 4. 4 into x is 4x. Minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. So it will be 3x. 1 as it is. Okay. 12 is in division. When it goes, it will be multiplication. 1 into 12 is 12. So 4x minus 3x. Therefore it will be x. And x is equal to 12 now. X is 12. Okay. Now moving forward to the 5th part, students. See, I have to add these 3, and all these 3 have different denominator. Here we have 3, here we have 4, and here we have 5. So what we will do, students, we will take the LCM of 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So students, if we take the LCM of 3, 4 and 5, so it will be, students, 60. It will be 60, students. So just take the LCM 60. Now see, 60 divided by 3, it will be 20, so it will be 20x. 60 divided by 4, 60 divided by 4, it will be 15. 15 into x is 15x. This 60 divided by 5, it will be 12, so I can write it as 12x. This one as it is. Okay. Now students, see, if I just add them, what it will be? 2, 5, 7. So that is 7, 1, 1, and so it will be 47x. 60 is in division. When it goes, it will be multiplication. Therefore, x will be 60 divided by 47. This is our required answer. Okay. Now moving forward to the 8th part, students. X plus x by 3 is equals to 4. Okay. Just see, I can write this x as x by 1. I can write x as x by 1. Now take LCM, students. LCM of 1 and 3 will be 3. LCM of 1 and 3 will be 3. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. So 3 into x is 3x. Plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 into x is x. So 4 as it is. Okay. Now 3 is in division. When it goes there, it will be multiplication. So 3x plus x is 4x. And 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. So 4 ones are 4. 4 3s are 12. Therefore, students, the value of x is 3. Is it clear, students? Now, students, moving forward to the part now, question number 5, students. See, students, if you just see in the book, question number 5th, question number 6th, and question number 7, all these questions are same. In these 3 questions, students, you have to just solve the question and verify it. Okay. Solve means you have to find out the value of variable, and verify means you have to check that for the particular answer that you obtained, your answer is correct. That means the left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. That you have to check. Okay. For the specific value of x that you obtained. So students, first of all, I will solve this and then I will verify it. Okay. So see, students. See, if I just solve it, students, I can write it like this. 2 by 3 of 4x minus 1 as it is. Okay. Just take LCM inside the bracket. If I just take LCM, students, I can write it like this. I can write it like this because 4x can be written as 4x by 1. So the LCM of 1 and 2, it will be 2 now. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 into 4x will be 4x. 2 divided by 2 is 1. When 1 multiplied by 1 minus 3x, it will be 1 minus 3x. But students, we have negative sign here. If we have negative sign, that means we have to change the value of, change the sign of the numbers. So it will be this. Okay, because outside we have negative sign. So what does negative sign do? Negative sign changes the particular sign after that number. Okay. So here I can write x minus 7 by 2 as it is. Now students see, just multiply it inside, just multiply these two. Okay. So therefore it will be 8x minus 2 upon 3 whole as it is minus, see, 8 and 3 is 11, so I can write it like this, 11x minus 1 divided by 2, x minus 7 by 2. Okay. Now students, here onwards, just take the LCM. So the LCM of 3 and 2, it will be 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Sorry, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 when multiplied by both the numbers, it will be this. Okay. Now when 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So multiply this number by 3 and outside we have negative sign. So just change the sign also and multiply by 3. So it will be 33x. Minus minus will be plus. I have to multiply this by 3. So this is our required solution after LCM. So x minus 7 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay. Now 3 is in division. When it goes here, it will be in multiplication. Now see, 16 minus 33. 16x minus 33, students. I can write it as minus 17x. Okay. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. 3 when multiply, when goes here, it will be in multiplication. So it will be 3x minus 21. Okay. I can write it like this. Now see, minus 21 when goes here, it will be positive. So 21 minus 1. This 3x. When this negative goes here, it will be positive. So it will be plus. 21 minus 1, it will be 20. And if I just add them, it will be 20x. So 20 when goes here, so 20 by 20 is 1. So the value of x is 1. Okay. So now students, I have to verify this particular solution that I obtained. That means I have to check that x is equals to 1 is the solution or not. Okay. Now students, to verify, just take the LHS and then take the RHS. See, LHS is 2 by 3, 4. Take the value of x as 1. So 1 into 4 is 4. So I am just writing it as 4 minus 1 minus 1 into 4 is 4. So just put 4 as it is minus 1. Just put the value of x as 1. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So minus 2 divided by 2. I can write it like this. Okay. Now see. And RHS will be, put the value of x as 1. So students, 1 minus 7 is minus 6 by 2, it will be minus 3. Now students, in order to verify, I will show that the value of LHS is equals to RHS. Now RHS is minus 3. Now I will prove that students, the value of LHS is also minus 3. Okay. Now see, 2 by 3, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. As it is 4. Minus minus is plus. Minus and minus is plus. 2 by 2 is 1. I can write it like this. Just cancel them out. There, that is 2 as it is. Minus 4 plus 1 is 5. Now students, if I just subtract them, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Okay students. Now students, see, this is our question number 5. Question number 6, question number 7 are same students. So do one thing, just see the video, do the remaining questions and question number 6 and 7 also, because question number 6 and question number 7 are also same. And practice the examples also students. I'm going to see you in your next class. Thank you.